Alright, so imagine creating a full design, like a thumbnail, post, or presentation, in seconds. No dragging, no guessing layouts, just done for you. Yeah, that's exactly what Canva Magic Design does in 2026. So let's go step by step and learn how to actually use it the right way. First, log into Canva and find Magic Design. You'll usually see it on the homepage or inside the app section. Click it, and this is where the magic starts. Now you've got two options. You can upload an image or just type a prompt. For example, you could type YouTube thumbnail about productivity or upload a photo you want to turn into a design. Once you hit generate, Canva will create multiple design options automatically. And yeah, these aren't random. They're structured layouts you can actually use right away. Pick the design that matches your style or goal. Don't overthink it. You can always edit it later. Now, make it yours. Change the text, update the message, adjust anything that doesn't fit. AI gives you a starting point, but you still control the final result. If the images don't match your idea, swap them out. You can upload your own or pick from Canva's library. To make your design look professional, use consistent colors and fonts. If you have a brand kit, apply it here. If not, just stick to 2 or 3 colors max. You can also combine Magic Design with other AI tools, like Magic Write for text or text-to-image for visuals. It just makes everything faster. Quick tip, don't over-edit. Most Magic Design layouts are already optimized. Just clean it up, simplify where needed, and you're good. Once you're done, download your design. PNG works best for images, MP4 if it's a video. And yeah, you're ready to post. So yeah, that's how you use Canva Magic Design in 2026. Instead of starting from scratch, you start from something already good and make it great. Honestly, it's one of the fastest ways to create content right now.